The chords for Empty Spaces by Sam Fender are a G sharp sus4 chord, D sharp minor 7 chord, B sus2, going to an F sharp chord. For the G sharp sus4 chord, we have first finger on the 4th fret of the low E string, and then a third finger bar on the 6th fret of the A, D and G strings. And if we kind of match the piano rhythm, it'll be down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3, and 4 and. We then move to this D sharp minor 7 chord. First finger bar on the 6th fret, third finger on the 8th fret of the D string, and the second finger on the 7th fret of the B string. And the rhythm is exactly the same. Down, 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 down. And then to a B sus2 chord. First finger bar 2nd fret, third finger 4th fret of the D, and pinky finger 4th fret of the G string. Same strumming again, down, 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 down. And then to a standard F sharp bar chord with the same strumming. We have first finger bar 2nd fret, third finger 4th fret of the A, pinky finger 4th fret of the D, and then the second finger on the 3rd fret of the G string. Down, 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 up. D sharp minor 7, down, 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 up. B sus2, down, 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 and F sharp, down. Those are the chords for the entire song. If you want a simpler sound, you can change the G sharp sus4 chord into a G sharp minor chord, the D sharp minor 7 into a D sharp minor chord, the B sus2 into a standard B chord, and the F sharp minor can stay as an F sharp minor. Now to sound a bit more like the actual piano part, we're going to play with our fingers on the right hand, and we're going to play 4th fret on the low E, 6th fret on the D, and 6th fret on the G. We're going to play the whole chord together, and then the high part on the D and G strings only twice before playing bass, D and G bass. So together, high, high, bass, high, bass. 1, 2, 3, and 4 and. We'll then move to 6 on the A, 4 on the D, 6 on the G, play it together, high, high, bass, before moving to 7 on the low E, 6 on the D, 6 on the G, together, high, high, bass, and then to our F sharp chord, which is probably going to be the most difficult chord to emulate on the guitar, and it is 2 on the low E, 4 on the D, 6 on the G, and we have together, high, high, bass, So the G sharp sus4 together, the D sharp minor 7 chord, the B sus2 chord, and then the F sharp chord.